Hey guys, Richard here. So in today's review I want to do something slightly different. I'm actually going to review an app, and the app is called Make Money. Now this app is available on Apple Store or Google Play, and in a nutshell it gives you tasks that you can complete and earn money. So I'm going to go through the app, I'll look at what kind of payouts you can get, and then I'll give you my view and let you know whether I think this is worth your time and whether this is really a money-making opportunity online. So just before we start, guys, my name is Richard. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release videos just like this one. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the links in the description below, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So as you can see, I'm over on the makemoney.tech site. Now this is where you can go and download the app, and I've actually got the app on my phone. I've been using this for a couple of days just to kind of check some things out and try and figure out exactly how much I can earn with this. So what you have here on the front screen, you have all of the different tasks that they give you which you can actually earn money for. So what you do is you earn credits, and with those credits you can go ahead and cash out payments via PayPal whenever you reach certain thresholds. So you can see here, this is the UK version. I've looked at some screenshots of the US version. It's pretty much the same thing, it's just in dollars. So for 7,500 credits I'll get £5, 15,000 £10, 30,000 £20, and 75,000 credits will be £50. So this only cashes out through PayPal, so usually you've got to be over 18 to have a PayPal account unless you're being sponsored by an adult. You know, it kind of restricts this to a certain age group. So I did some quick maths, and basically one credit is worth 0.066 pence. Let's just jump back to the app, and I'll use that as a reference for figuring out how much I can actually earn. So the first thing you can do is actually get an attendance award. So every day they give you 20 credits for actually attending, which is a couple of pence obviously. And also, if you have already had that attendance award for the day, you can go ahead and watch a video. Now each video is around about 30 seconds long, and they give you 2 credits to watch each of these videos. Basically you'd have to watch about 3,500 videos to get your £5. So obviously watching videos is not going to be the way to actually earn money with this particular application. So there you can see I can earn 2 credits for watching that video. So some of the other tasks are things like games. So you've got things like State of Survival, you've got Disney Heroes, you've got Rise of Kingdoms. So I'll show you Rise of Kingdoms as an example. You have to install the app, you have to get to level 17, and it must be done into 25 days. So one of the things I've seen in some of the reviews is that this is obviously time bound, and it's encouraging people to actually buy things within the app to actually go ahead and complete that many levels within the time frame. So some of them are easier than others, but this isn't going to be a couple of days that you can go ahead and do this. This is going to be quite an effort. But that's one of the bigger ones at 21,000 credits. If I look at some of the other ones that you can actually do, Foxy Bingo was an interesting one, because you actually have to spend £10 with Foxy Bingo as minimum, and you're only going to earn less than £10 when you actually do that. So what you're basically getting is your £10 back if you go ahead and sign up with Foxy Bingo. And Foxy Bingo, obviously, then you have to go ahead and spend more money with them to carry on playing the game. So I don't think that's a great deal, because obviously that's encouraging you to actually sign up. But if you're already going to sign up for Foxy Bingo and you liked it, it might be worthwhile you're doing. Other things I see on here, again, a lot of these games are very time bound. You've got some specific profile type tasks that you can earn minimum credits for. And then you have some of these services like Norton VPN, which again, you can sign up for, but they're only for free trials. And then after that free trial, they start charging you. So you'll get 1,000 credits for that, not that much money, but you'll end up being charged for that. There's one for Amazon Prime on here as well, which is the same thing. You sign up for a month free, and then it's $7.99 after that. So you're only getting a little bit of money back here, and for the amount of effort on a lot of these games, you're being paid very, very little. So it's going to take you many, many hours to get anywhere near the amount of credits that you need to. So when you actually look at this, the actual time it takes to make the money it's not any kind of money-making opportunity. What it is a place where you can come along and make a little bit of pin money for playing some games. Obviously on the games, if you only need to get to a certain level, then you need to be flipping between games, obviously, to then go ahead and get the credits for the second game and then join them and then get some more credits. You can't just stay on that game and it will just keep giving you money back for going further and further. And one of the games I actually downloaded and was playing was this one here, which is Solitaire. And the game was good, you know, the game was quite amusing. You go ahead and play Solitaire and then you build those fields. But what I noticed very quickly is that once you start actually playing this, you start running out of coins very quickly, and then you have to start buying things to progress within the game. So you end up spending money to try and earn a little bit of pin money back. So I don't think it's worth, so I personally don't think it's worth my time to be doing these things with the games. But again, if it's something that you do anyway, then you can make a very, very small amount of money with this application, but don't think it's any kind of money making opportunity, because it isn't. So there's two more things I noticed on here. You'll see a lot of referral links for this on the web, because they've got a place you can get 100 credits for referring people, and they need to come along here and actually complete 2 tasks, and then you go ahead and get 100 credits. So, and you have a referral code. So you'll see a lot of people actually referring people with their particular referral code, and I wouldn't be surprised if underneath this video people start putting their referral code, because it normally happens when you do application type reviews like this. And the other thing I noticed is an interesting one. If I can find it, you can get credits for actually giving them 5 stars on the various app stores, which I thought was a little bit interesting, because I went on the app store and I looked at the ratings on this and I thought they were very, very good. And then I came in here and I realized that everybody's being paid 100 credits to give those reviews. Let's jump over the app store and I'll show you. You can see here, there's the Make Money app and get paid to earn real cash. 36,000 people have left a review and it's 5 stars. So I looked at this and I opened it up. You see that almost all of the reviews are 5-star. They got actually 4.9 out of 5. But then when I go to see all of these ones are 5-star, 5-star. But even half of these guys are saying I'm only leaving 5 stars because I get my credit. And if I sort by most recent, what you see is they're all just quick reviews like cut, haha, good, okay. So none of these are real reviews. Yeah, good. They're all one-word reviews, NB. They're just nonsense reviews. If I go down to most critical, you get things like doesn't work, they don't give me my credits back, not paying the money, doesn't work, customer service isn't any good, don't be fooled, don't install, you know, it's the usual thing with these things. So for what I'm seeing, these guys are paying out when you reach certain thresholds, but there is a little bit of a glitch between the actual apps and this site where people are actually completing tasks and they don't get their money, and the support team seem to say you need to go and take it up with the actual people that are running the games that they're pointing you towards, which is obviously problematic because then you don't know how to get in touch with anybody. So I'm sure they're actually giving money out, but is this worth my time and effort? Absolutely not my time and effort. If you're somebody who likes doing games, you can spend days and days trying to get £5, £10 payouts. It's going to take you several weeks to get either of them. When I was playing that game I showed you earlier, I was playing it for over 2 hours and I managed to get 2 fields done. And apparently you've got to get 6 fields done to get the amount of credits you need, which is less than 4,000, which is about £3. And that would have taken me all day to earn £3. So this is not a money-making opportunity by any means. It's just somewhere that you can come along and get a little bit of pin money if you're into this kind of thing. I would keep away from some of the gambling games because then you can start paying out real money. And especially if you've got kids that are going to start playing with things like this, I would make sure that you understand exactly what they're doing, because they can start spending a lot of money on some of these applications. So guys, I hope you find that useful. Again, the Make Money app, I don't think you're going to make much money out of it. Might be something you want to come along and play a few of these games and just enjoy yourself, but don't expect to make any kind of real money out of this. My name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to this channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release videos just like this one. And guys, if you are looking to make money online and build a long-term sustainable business, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, where I'll take you through a process that I use to make money online step by step. Until next time guys, take care.